Hello, friends. I'm Savita Singh. I'm a poet who writes in Hindi mainly, but also in English. I've been to uh, Bangalore Poetry Festival once, and I've always remembered all the writers I met over there. It was a great place to be. I was loved, I was respected. It has very good memories I have of that visit. On behalf of this festival, literary festival, I wish you all the very best, particularly in this time, which is now defined as Corona time. It's a time when we are face to face with a ghastly virus named COVID 19, which at the moment rules the world. And it rules with great harshness and cruelty. Lakhs and lakhs of people have died all over the world, and so many more are still infected and dying. We have not been able to cope with it in any positive final way. Still, things are being awaited. Medicines are still being looked into how to get the right one for people to be able to be treated. But this time in which we are under lockdown, that is to say, one of the ways to save ourselves, has made us reflect on our own nature. It has made us reflect on our destiny. And destiny in the sense that death can teach us many, many more things as life can and life has been. I think as poets, as writers, it is also important for us to think where we went wrong, what happened, how this time came about, what we need to do more to be able to live well. I think it is this that we should be reflecting on more than just on death, meditating on death. It is important that if we think radically about our time, we would know how to relate to others better. I think we have, as human beings, we have displayed in history and even contemporary times a great qualities, great virtues that we have as human beings, like compassion, empathy, sympathy. Rationality is not enough. We should be living out our whole nature. We should be able to relate to the smallest creature on this earth in a positive manner. All life must be respected. We should not destroy nature. We should be able to understand that we are part of it. This relationship that we have with greater reality is important for us now to reflect upon. So I think that instead of feeling sorry about it, instead of feeling sad about it or being depressed about it, lacking courage to cope with it, we should be doing the opposite. We should have more courage, we should have more compassion, we should have more uh, critical and empathetic rationality to be able to see how we are all related to each other. And this is what our poetry and our writing has to do. I give you all my very best, and I wish you sincerely to be well in every sense of the word, as writers, as ordinary beings, as philosophers, as academic, as engineers, whatever we have in modern time. We should reflect upon our time, this modern time or postmodern time we are calling. There is something lacking. There's something needs to be reflected upon more deeply. And that is what we should be doing. The lockdown is not for us to be incarcerated or imprisoned or cramped in one place, waiting to come out. We must come out as very different beings. I wish you all the very best with life, with writing, with poetry, with good feelings for the world. We should enjoy living in this world. We should not hurt people. We should not hurt nations must not hurt other nations. One creature must not hurt other creature. Let's let's nurse each other. Let's heal together. Let's come out as a whole being, a being that thinks of not only of itself or of its own economy or of its own individual freedoms, but the fate of the entire cosmos. Today, I wish you all the very best as poets and writers in particular. Bye for now.